Flavorful feasts, discover the best chicken thigh recipes for dinner. Embark on a culinary journey with our tantalizing chicken thigh recipes. These dishes offer versatility and flavor that can transform any dinner into a memorable experience. Explore a selection of irresistible chicken thigh recipes, from garlic herb chicken thighs to honey mustard glazed chicken thighs. These recipes are designed to delight your palate and elevate your dining repertoire. For the garlic herb chicken thighs, mix minced garlic, olive oil, and dried herbs. Rub the mixture over the chicken thighs and bake until golden brown. The same process applies to honey mustard glazed chicken thighs, but with a honey mustard glaze. Lemon herb grilled chicken thighs require marinating in a lemon, garlic, and herb mixture before grilling. For creamy mushroom chicken thighs, brown the chicken, sauté mushrooms and garlic, add broth, cream, and thyme, then return the chicken to the skillet and simmer. Experiment with our recipes to fit your taste. For example, marinate lemon herb grilled chicken thighs overnight, add white wine to the creamy mushroom chicken thighs, or substitute ingredients to create new flavor profiles. Nutritional values vary depending on portion size and specific ingredients used. However, all recipes are a good source of protein, with varying amounts of fat and carbs depending on the recipe. Finally, let these flavorful chicken thigh recipes take center stage at your next dinner. From aromatic garlic herb chicken thighs to indulgent creamy mushroom chicken thighs, there's a dish for every palate and occasion. Bon appetit!